Hi guys! Today we're going to make a Google Drive link public. So, first of all, unlock your phone and open the Google Drive app. Once you open it, you'll see all your files and folders right in front of you. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially the one that owns the file, because permissions only work for the owner. This is important, otherwise you won't be able to change access settings properly. Now look for the file that you want to make public. Once you find it, don't open it directly instead. Tap on the three dots next to it. This will open a menu with different options related to that file, and this is exactly where we control sharing settings. So just tap those three dots and move to the next step. After tapping the three dots, a menu will appear with multiple options. From there, you need to tap on Manage Access. This section is where you control who can view or edit your file, so this is the most important part. Once you open it, you'll see current permissions for your file. Now inside Manage Access, you'll see a section called General Access, and it will most likely be set to Restricted. That means only selected people can open the file right now, so we need to change that. Just tap on Restricted to open more sharing options. After tapping Restricted, you'll get more options, and here you need to select anyone with the link. As soon as you choose this, your file becomes public, meaning anyone with the link can access it. This is the key step, so make sure you select the correct option. Now, right below that, you'll see another drop-down where you can choose what others can do with your file. You can set it to Viewer if you only want them to see it, or Editor if you want them to make changes. So, just pick the option that fits your needs, because this controls how others interact with your file. Once everything is set, your permissions will update automatically so you don't have to worry about saving manually. Now your Google Drive link is public, and anyone with the link can access it based on a permission you selected. You can now copy and share this link anywhere you want. So yeah, that's how you can easily make your Google Drive link public. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what tutorial you want next.